substitution method of solving a equation or a system, what we're going to do is I'm going to backtrack a few years here. If we gave you this problem and said 3x plus 4 when x equals 8. To simplify that, you'd take 3 times 8 plus 4. That's 24 plus 4. That's 28. You've been doing this for a while now. You just replace a value for a variable. Okay? Well, now I'm going to do this with equations. Same idea though. I see that it's solve for x. Substitution method is when you have one variable that is solved for in an equation. That's what's happening in that first equation. I have a variable that's already solved for. Now what I'm saying is I'm going to take all this stuff and I'm going to plug it in for x because I know that x is for y, just like it was a number in the previous problem. So now I'm going to take 3 times 4y. The rest of the equation all stays the same. Simplify it. 12y plus 2y equals 28. 14y equals 28. Divide by 14, so y equals 2. I know what y is. However, I want to know what x is also. So I'm going to take one of the equations, and it really doesn't matter which one. And I know that y is 2, so I'm going to plug in that 2 for y. So x equals 4 times 2, so x equals 8. So now I know what x is. You need to know what both variables are when you finish the problem. If I write this in an ordered pair, it's the ordered pair 8, 2, x and y, alphabetical order, remember. Okay, if we take another type of problem, same idea, but now this one's solved for y. So now I'm going to take all this stuff and I'm going to dump it in for y. So I take 2x plus 3 times x plus 2 equals 36. Oh, I got to distribute here. It's a little different than the last problem. 3x plus 6 equals 36. Combine my like terms. And solve for that variable. So I get x equals 5. I know, 5. 5, there we go. X equals 5. So I know what x is. Now I need to know what y is. So I pick one of the equations. That first one looks awfully easy to me. Looks like a very nice friendly equation. Okay, I'm going to dump in this 5 in for x. So y equals 5 plus 2, which y equals 7. So now I know that x equals 5, y equals 7. If I wanted an ordered pair, 5, 7 is my ordered pair. Life is good. Substitution method. Boy, this is fun. Let's get on to something else that's a little more difficult. Good job.